Yeah, what's up, my people? How na dey? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on your location or where you are watching me from. Yeah, my people, welcome today. It's been a while. Yeah, I've come. We will discuss in brief about this matter. It is obvious that people is engaging on it on a daily basis, even though it's not good or conducive or say convenient for them. And the worst thing is that some people who are not yet into this are seeing the way that this thing is damaging the life of people, and some people is still embarking on it. Like I don't know what people, how they drive pleasure in this kind of art. What am I talking about? You can see some picture of these people who are into bleaching, bleaching cream, bleaching their skill, bleaching the skin, the original skin that God Almighty give them. Bible say that you are wonderfully made. God has make you wonderful. God has create you in his image and likeness and give you the normal skill, the normal skin he want you to use in this earth. But some people still want to recreate yourself. They go into the market and buy all sorts of bleaching cream and use it to bleach their self, bleach their body, bleach every part of their body. Hmm? This thing is eyesore. Look at this level, this one leg. Look at the faces. Yeah? Some people will see this kind of thing and they go still continue on it. You have seen something, this thing that is not good for you. It's damaging yourself, damaging your skin, damaging your body, and you still continue on it until you get worse to this extent. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. In fact, I'm short of words. If I'm seeing all these things, I begin to question myself. These people don't they have thinking faculty at all? Hmm? Don't them have a thinking faculty? Or they have gone blind, even though their two eyes is 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 naked, widely open. They can see that it's damaging their skin, and they will still continue in it. How can a human being face be like this? Look at the human being face. Just look at somebody that call himself a human being. Now, is this one a beauty? Because I cannot understand that they are doing it for beauty, to beautify themselves, because they don't like how God create them. They are telling God that God made mistake. Will have made them to be fair in complexion. That's why they want to recreate themselves. But look at this one now. Look at this one. Is it not irritating? Is this one not irritating? Which a human being will collect food from this one hand and eat? Look at legs. Hmm? Fanta and Coke, 24 color. And some people will still see all these things. They will still continue in it. Some will still, those that are not yet preaching. In fact, we still go after seeing all these things. They will still go to market and use their money, their hard-earned money, whether e hard for them to get it or they get it very easily. But the fact that they will still carry their hand, no be so na person will force them to bleach. They will still use their hand, go to market and buy all these things and still apply on their body until he discover or disfigure them. I mean, some people, I don't know. Some people not supposed to live together with a human being. You know, with those their brain is still correct. Because I can see that this one, their brain is no longer correct. Yes, a human being will bleach until the whole face will be burn, leg will burn, everybody will be burn. Eh? It will never for once occur to them, look at my skin, this thing is damaging my skin, let me stop. They will still continue on it. They will still continue in this kind of thing. God have given you original color that you want it to be, which you can never be buy anywhere. Whether you are black or you are fair, maintain it. Instead of bleaching, just look for go to market. You can even buy expensive cream, the one that will help you to maintain that skill that God give you, not the one that will fine tune it. I mean, guys, this thing is really an eyesore. It's really an eyesore. Seeing this in physically close to you, it will be irritating you now. I can't sit where this kind of people will sit. No. They will be like a masquerade. Mumu. See their face like Ojuju Karaba. Wetin woman being use it. You say that somebody now use the IC, report them for face, discover their face like this. They'll be crying day and night, reporting accusing finger for that person. That these people have damaged them. I no get time. I for read the waiting all these people. What the road concern these people. Apart from them even damaging their skin, you made them to have a low esteem. You know, they can never be in the midst of the people because they will feel ashamed. How can they be in the midst of people with this kind of body? Who might be on earth on a road in a right sense? We want to have any dealing with this kind of people. See, look at the human being leg. Look at the face. This thing, I just say let me use it to talk to us in brief. Because those that have ear, let them hear. If God gives you your normal color, any color that God gives to you, appreciate God with that color. Don't go and bleach your body. Don't go and spoil your skin. Leave it the way God creates you. Just maintain it. That's all you need. You don't need bleaching cream. You don't need to fine tune your body. You don't need to look beautiful for any man or any woman. Somebody will appreciate you the way you are. Anybody that doesn't want to appreciate you the way you are, let that person go out. Let the person go to hell. Allow yourself to be. This is evil. It's wickedness. These people, let me tell you, you see you are still going to face the judgment of God. Because for correcting God, you want to correct God, you want to tell God that God made a mistake. Oh, you will answer for it. This thing is really an eyesore. So, people, I want to stop here. I just say I don't even want to talk more up to this minute. But because if it's like an onion, we continue to talk and talk. When you peel out any back, another flesh one will open. So, help me share this video so that others will learn, others will be seen. Help me share this video. If you are not following me, follow me, abeg. This is your choosing one. Thank you and God bless. I love you all. Till we come again. Love you.